So what is the best niche on Instagram? I bet there's two types of people watching this video. You're either the person who's looking to start an Instagram account and you're wondering what niche is best, or you're the person who already has an Instagram account and you're shitting yourself because you're not sure if you picked the wrong niche. I'm just kidding, I'm not laughing at you. On this video, we're gonna cover what the best niche is and all that stuff. So just hold on, I'll be back in like 10 seconds. My name is Anthony. I run an Instagram marketing agency and also run a 1 million follower network on Instagram. And I make videos like this to help you take your Instagram account from 0 to hero. So make sure you subscribe because this is the Instagram Hub. So this question comes from one of you guys and we're gonna go ahead and put this up here. I'm gonna have the snap feature. It should start to work. I don't know why, sometimes there it goes, there. All right, so, hey Anthony, I'm a huge fan of your YouTube and Instagram. I've been following you for such a long time now. I had a question for you. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate you following, commenting, liking, everything like that. I always say, I think I have the best subscribers, especially for my niche. I think my subscribers are the best. Anyway, what do you think is the most profitable niche in your opinion? I really want to continue having fun on Instagram while making stable money. That's a good attitude. A lot of people are like, I just want money. That's good to, have fun, a page you want, and make money. That's setting yourself up for success. I appreciate your help and I hope you can get back to me. Thanks, bro. Keep grinding. I'm coming from your Facebook group, by the way. See, smart man, join the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. Thanks, Base Steals, for your question. All right, guys, so a few weeks ago, I think I made like a top 3 best niches on Instagram. And so I think this is a good video because now I can kind of just say, what do I think is the best niche? And it's kind of, I've had some time to think about it from that last video. And I think this is a question that comes up a lot. And when I really think about long-term and what brands are going to want, what's gonna set you up for, like Base Steel said, not only having fun, but making money, this is just my personal opinion. So in my personal opinion, the best niche for 2019 is, drumroll sound effects. I think the best niche in 2019 is going to be a personal brand. And here's a few reasons why I think it's going to be a personal brand. The first reason being is that personal brands versus viral pages. Think about who you follow and who can sway you more. Remember, everything about Instagram is all about influencing. That's why the term influencer has been born and is being used and almost just so loosely thrown around these days. But when you think about Instagram, I try to think of who has the most influence over people. And while I do think viral pages and any type of viral page does have some influence over people, I know personally the people who influence me most on social media are people that are a personal brand. The viral travel page might get me to an e-com store. The viral sports page might make me buy a supplement, but nothing will make me buy like someone that I like, know, and trust. Unfortunately, I just don't think that most viral pages, especially the way that most people are growing them and treating them, you have a lot of people just growing viral pages and they don't give a fuck about a year from now. They're just doing a bunch of panel shit, they're throwing a ton of fake shit on it, and they're just doing it for pure vanity numbers. They're not really doing it for a long-term sustainable page. They don't care about it. That's not gonna really influence anybody. That's why a lot of these people with these big viral pages or that pull these crazy numbers don't make anything off of them. You will find that the best viral pages out there are the viral pages that are taking it a little bit slower, doing things the legitimate way, have pinned stories, are connecting with their followers, and build a community base. That's what I would have to say is that for a viral page to work, you can't just be doing a bunch of dumb shit on it. You have to be doing the proper stuff, the proper techniques, and making it a community base where people are part of what they feel like is a movement, which is basically what a personal brand is. A personal brand is all about you, your name, and building out yourself, building out your name. A lot of people never become successful with this because they just try to make it all about themselves, but really to have a successful personal brand, it has to be all about other people. You are just the person who is influencing these other people, but you have to be giving something. You have to be funny and be entertaining, or you have to be extremely smart and giving knowledge, or you have to provide value. You have to be doing something. You have to offer the world something that they don't already know or that they cannot do themselves. And back to who has the most influence over people, I will tell you guys in my personal experience, especially for me, and I think I can speak for almost everyone when I say this, we are most persuaded, most influenced by people with a personal brand, people with a name. You think of the biggest YouTubers that you follow, you think of the biggest Instagram people that you follow, and it's usually when you're clicking links, when you're taking action, it's usually because of them. You're usually not taking action on some spammy viral page or some spammy follow and follow page or some just overall shitty looking looking page. Now, the reason why I say personal brand rather than a viral page is because your personal brand is something that's gonna stick with you for life. It's something that you could cross promote, and it's overall just a lot easier. If you had a great viral page on Instagram, it's a little harder to, if you wanted to, take that and put that onto YouTube, because it's kind of like, well, what videos would you post if you don't own any of the content? Or even if you make your own content, are you a good filmmaker? I think the cool thing about having your own personal brand is that any other social platform could be started as easily as just holding up your phone and just starting to take video. You know, now we have iPhones, we have these phones with these good cameras where you don't need expensive equipment to start going ahead and cross promoting and start opening up different social platforms. The way that I like to think about it is every time I go and watch a movie at the movie theater, it's usually because either I see a dope trailer or more often than not, my friend tells me, dude, I saw this movie, you gotta go watch it. And I'm like, really, what was it about? He tells me a little bit about it, it sounds great, and I go and I watch it. He just influenced me, he just helped the movie theater and the movie make money. Okay, those are the type of people. So now if you had someone you really looked up to on Instagram, somebody that you followed and everything like that, and they just went up on stories and they said, hey, I just came out of the theater, that was a dope movie. For any of you guys who haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. Like, you might actually reconsider that to go ahead and check it out. Rather, if it was just posted on some random page and had a swipe up link to go check out and get discounted tickets on the movie, unless you were already interested in that movie, you probably wouldn't have gone. Someone with a strong personal brand that really builds a community with their followers can completely get you out of your seat and watching a movie that you previously had no interest in or knew nothing about. And that's why I think the best niche on Instagram is not a niche in terms of travel or cars or beauty or luxury, but I think it's a niche in terms of personal branding or really building a community. Again, you can get away with this on a viral page. You just have to build it the right way. Don't build it, you just have to build it the right way, just like you have to build your personal brand the right way. There's always a right way and a wrong way to go about things. And with that said, this kind of wraps up the video perfectly. If any of you guys are looking for the right way to go ahead and grow on Instagram, I'll leave linked in the description an advanced training that will show you step by step exactly how to grow the proper way by doing proper things and not doing shady black hat tactics that are going to get you banned, but it's actually going to sustain your account over your entire lifetime. A personal brand or a viral page that is literally going to stick with you, that you can cross promote, that you can use for a myriad of different things. With all that said, if you guys want to win a one-on-one consulting call with me, guess what? I'm giving away free one-on-one consulting calls. We can go over your Instagram one-on-one, me and you. Just like this video, leave a comment down below, and that's it. If you're not following me on Instagram at Red Pill Success, go ahead and follow me. I post the winners on my stories. So if you're just liking and commenting my videos, follow my Instagram, check out my stories. You might see your comment, you might win. That's how we pick. With all that said, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope this gives you guys a better overall understanding of what the best niche is on Instagram. Don't focus so much onto what your niche is. Follow your passions, follow what you love, build your account the right way. The followers and the money will follow, and just don't stop working. If you're not seeing success now, if you're not seeing results now, you're just missing a piece, right? That's all it is. Find that piece and you're gonna start taking off. Keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next one.